Hello, everyone. A very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are doing great and having fun. I am Tripti, and we are here for our everyday morning class. The class starts at 10 a.m. and it's from Monday to Saturday. So I would request you all to kindly join the class from Monday to Saturday at 10 a.m. And dear children, as you know that these classes are going live on YouTube, I want you all to please subscribe to our channel, our YouTube channel, so that you can get daily updates, right? As this session is live, you can make full use of the chat box. You can write down your doubts, your queries there. You can use the chat box to answer the questions there. That's how it is going to go, right? So I want active participation from your side. Let's make this session very interactive with your responses as well. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so if you remember, we were doing multiplication. Yesterday we started with multiplication. So let's do the multiplication part 2. Let's revise writing the multiplication table. If you remember, yesterday we did the multiplication table of 3, 4. We will be doing some more multiplication tables. If you remember, children, yesterday I told you that multiplication is known as repeated addition. Okay? Repeated addition. Like we keep on adding the numbers repeatedly and you will get the answer. Like if it's 2 times 3, that means 3 plus 3. You're adding 3 twice. If it's 4 times 3, that means you are adding 3 4 times. So that's why multiplication is called as repeated addition. Over here, let's write down the multiplication table of 5. Okay. Either we can skip count by 5 or we can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have to write the numbers like this. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Come on, everyone. I want you all to speak with me. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So if you see the numbers that I have written, like other numbers we just said, if you see the numbers that I have written, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 50. These are the multiples of 5. Means 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is, what is 5 times 3? 15. 5 times 4 is 20. Come on, everyone, say it with me. And this is also, you can say, skip counting. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 7 is 35. Then we have 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 9 is 45. And 5 times 10 is 50. This is the multiplication table of number 5. Or you can say you have to skip count by 5. Okay? That's how it goes. Right? So this is the multiplication table of 5. So basically, you can say either you are skipping by 5 or you are just adding 5 in every next step. Okay, so yesterday we did the table of 3, 4, and 7. Today we will do the table of 5 and 6. Right? And if you talk about the table of 2, there are all odd, even numbers. The even numbers are there. You have to skip by 2 and all even numbers will come over. If you see the table of 5, the numbers, the multiples are ending with either 5 or 0. 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0. So if you are getting anything except 5 and 0, that means your answer is wrong. Okay, yesterday we did 3, 4, 7. Today we are going to do 5 and 6. Similarly, here, let's do the times table of 6 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Children, I want you all to speak with me. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, then 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, then 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. Then it's 55, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. This is the times table of number 6. And how we have done it, just, we have skipped count by 6. So let's write the times table of 6 now. Okay. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 6 is 36. If you noted, I'm just writing the numbers which are written over here. 6 times 7 is 42. 6 times 8 is 48. 6 times 9 is 54. And 6 times 10 is 60. Okay? So 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. This is the times table of number 6. Okay? That's how we do number 6. All right. Let's consider 12 times 4. So here 12 times 4 is 48, or you can also call it as 4 times 12. Both will give you the same answer. So if it's 12 times 4, which is 48, 48 is called as the product of 12 and 4. Product. What is product? Product is the answer that you get when you multiply numbers. Product, this is the product. 48 is the product of 12 and 4, or 4 and 12. What are 4 and 12 called as? 4 and 12 are called as the factors. You can also call it as a multiple. And 4 and 12 are called as the factors. Factors of 48 are 4 and 12. Okay? Or the product of 4 and 12 is 48. Now, what is the product of 2 and 8? Now, you will not always get 2 times 8. What is 2 multiplied by 8? Okay, so if it's product, it's clear that you have to multiply. So basically here in the question, it is asking like 2 times 8. What is 2 times 8? Yeah, 2 times 8 is 16. Or you can also do it like 8 times 2. What is 8 times 2? 16. Okay, so product of 2 and 8 is 16. Now what is the product of 4 and 20? 4 and 20. What is the product of 4 and 20? So it's just 20 times 4 or 4 times 20. What will you get? 4 times 20 or 20 times 4. So simple. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 2 is 8. 80 is the answer. What is the product of 3 and 8? 3 and 8. Come on, 3 and 8. We did the times table of 3 yesterday, right? So what's the timetable of 3 and 8? It's 24. 3 times 8 is 24. Next is, what is the product of 9 and 5? 9 and 5. What is the product of 9 and 5? Okay, so 9 times 5 or 5 times 9, both will give you the same answer. So 5 times 9 is 40. What is the product of 3 and 30? 3 and 30. 3 and 30. So it is 3 times 3 is 9 and then 0, 90 is the answer. What is the product of 4 and 10? 4 and 10. 4 times 10. Any number times 10, like whatever the number is, let's say 7. You will write that same number here. And how many zeros are there in 10? 1 0. So you will put 1 0. 7 times 10 is 70. Or if it's 100 times 10. So you have to write the exact same number, 100. How many zeros are there in 10? 1. So it is 1000. Okay. So the product of 4 and 10 is 40. 4 as it is and then 1 0, 40. Let's try a few more questions. 6 and 8. What is the product of 6 and 8? 6 and 8. Today only we did the table of 6. 6 times 8 is, or 8 times 6 is 48. Perfect. What is the product of 7 and 12? 7 and 12. The product of 7 and 12. Yesterday we did the times table of 7. We did till 10. 7 times 10 is 70. 7 times 11 is 77. And 7 times 12 is 84. Next one. What is the product of 13 and 3? What is the product of 13 and 3? Thirteen and 3. So 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 1, 3. We will learn how to multiply 2 digits by 1 digit. Next. Come on, everyone. What's the product of 14 and 4? 14 and 4. 56. Product of 9 and 8. Means 9 times 8 or 8 times 9. Both are the same. 72. Product of 5 and 17. Come on, everyone. It's 85. Now let's work out some numericals which involve multiplications. Which of the following have a product of 42? I'll give you some time for this. Okay, so here we'll see which of the following have product of 42. It's 21 and 2. 21 and 2 makes 42. Next one. Come on, come on. $42. So over here, which two numbers are making 42? Let's check it out. 14 and 3. 14 and 3 makes 42. 14 and 3 makes 42. Next one. Come on. 42. All right. So here 6 and 7. 6 times 7 is 42. Which of the following have a product of 36? Oops, sorry. 36. So here 2 and 18 makes 36. Next one. So over here, it's 12 and 3. 12 times 3 is 36. 12 times 1 is 12. 2s are 24. 12 times 3 is 36. Also, we have done the times table of 3, na? Next. I hope it's done. Okay, so here it's like 9 times 4 is 36. Okay, now which of these have a product of 48? Which of these have a product of 48? The question is this. So I hope it's done. Over here, the answer for you is 12 times 4, 48. Next one. Come on, everyone. Let's be quick. So here it's 16 times 3. Next one. So 8 times 6 is 48. Now, children, today we will also learn how to multiply 2 digits by 1 digit. Yesterday, I told you 1 by 1 digit vertically. Today, 2 digits by 1 digit. Let's say it's 13 times 4. Okay, so if it's 13 times 4, what I'm going to do is 1's here, 10's here. Just assume, okay, I'll give you a very nice example. 13 times 4. Let's assume that the top two numbers, the top two numbers like 1 and 3 are two friends, okay, or are two students in a class. And this 4 number is a teacher. Okay, 4 number is a teacher. These are the two students. 1 and 3, these are the two students, students X and student Y. These are the two students. I'll write it here. Now, just imagine if in a class there are two students and one teacher, and the teacher is just talking to student Y. How student X will feel? He'll feel sad that, oh, why the teacher is not talking to me, just talking to student Y. Why she's not interacting with me, playing games with me. Similarly, if teacher will interact only with student X, how student Y will feel? The same how student X was feeling. Student Y will feel sad that why the teacher is not interacting with me, why she's not talking to me. So like this it is happening. So what the teacher should do? What the teacher should do? The teacher should interact with both the students. So what will happen here? The teacher will first go to the one which is closest. So the teacher will first go to the student Y and will get multiplied, or means talk to the student Y, which is multiplication actually. So this is just a way of remembering how to do it. So 4 times 3. What is 4 times 3? 12. But I can't write 12 over here. So just like we were doing in addition, you remember, like putting the number on top of the other. So what we are going to do is 12 can't be written like this. So I'm going to write 12 like this. 1 here, 2 here. 1 is carried over. 2 here. Next, the teacher will go to the next student, which is 1. So 4 times 1 is 4 times 1 is 4. And can you see the number carried over? Yeah, that is 1 plus 1, which is 5. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1, 5. So the answer is 52. 52 is the answer. 2 students, 1 teacher. Let's do another question. Let's say 47 times 5. I am giving you a minute to do this question by yourself. 47 by 5. Just remember that there are 2 students and 1 teacher. Come on. (47 times 5). So similarly, we are going to do this. 5 times 7. First, the teacher will go to the first student. 5 times 7 is 35. I can't write 35 here at one's place. So 3 will go on top of the other number to the neighbor's house, and 5 will remain here. Yeah. First, we are done with this. 5 times 7. Now we will do 5 times 4. What is 5 times 4? It is 20. But 3 is already there. So you have to add the carried over number. 0 plus 3 is 3. 2 plus nothing is 2. So here I can write the answer. It is 235. 235 is the product of 47 and 5. I can also write it as 47 times 5 is equal to 235, or I can also write this as 5 times 47 will give me 235. Both ways it is correct. Okay, so this is how you multiply. This is how you multiply two digit by 1 digit number. Okay. Yeah. So just assume that there are two students, 1 teacher. If the teacher will talk only to 1 student, the other will feel sad. If it will talk to the other, the first one will feel sad. So first the teacher will go to the first student, which is closest, get multiplied. Then it will go to the next student, get multiplied, and then you will get the answer. I'll also teach you how to multiply 3 digits by 1 digit with the same method. 3 students, 1 teacher. Okay? So it is very easy. It is just a way to remember like which number you have to multiply first. That is why this teacher and students story came in. All right? So yeah, children, I hope this is clear to you all. And yeah, that's all for our today's class. I hope you enjoyed the session and learned whatever we have done. Requesting all of you to kindly practice the things again and again so that these things get fixed in your mind. Okay? So thank you so much, dear children, for joining the class. Have a very, very lovely day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Have a good day.